Ang una ko nabasang comment na pwede kong replyan ay itong kay Miss Cherry May. Fave couple, you always inspire me, whether it's in your careers or in love and family. So comment niya to siguro sa isang video naming mag-asawa, which I always post. And for context, kami ng asawa ko, we've been together for 22 years, married for 13 years, high school sweethearts, and now with 4 kids. Whenever I receive comments like this, na-appreciate ko talaga. But if there's one thing I want people to know, it's this. What I post, what you see online, totoo lahat yun. Totoo yung happiness, totoo yung kilig, totoo yung mga cute family moments. Pero, it's not the whole story. What you don't see, yung mga away namin, disagreements, yung mga panahon na hindi kami nagkakaintindihan, nagsisigawan, nagiiyakan. What you don't see are the moments na pareho kaming stressed out, pagod, overwhelmed, and trying to figure things out. And I think that's true, not just for us, but for everyone. Because every marriage, every family, every person, meron tayong mga daladala na hindi naman alam ng lahat ng tao. So if you're going through a difficult season in your life right now, don't think that you are failing. You are probably more normal than you think. So yes, hindi kami perfect. Pero we are two people who chose to stay, grow, and keep working on our marriage through every season of life.